Sometimes we find ourselves lost in the routine of daily life, performing our duties and responsibilities like clockwork. But have you ever stopped to consider what brings color to your life? What activities make your heart sing and your mind relax? Today, we're going to explore one of the most delightful aspects of human life: hobbies. A hobby is much more than a mere pastime. It is an activity that we engage in for pleasure, relaxation, and personal growth. Hobbies allow us to escape the pressures of work, school, and everyday stress. They provide us with an outlet for creativity, a sense of achievement, and often a way to connect with others who share similar interests. To understand hobbies better, let us first categorize them. Broadly speaking, hobbies can be divided into several types: creative hobbies, physical hobbies, intellectual hobbies, social hobbies, and collecting hobbies. Each of these categories offers unique benefits and appeals to different aspects of our personalities. Creative hobbies include activities such as painting, drawing, writing, photography, playing a musical instrument, or crafting. These hobbies allow individuals to express their creativity and emotions in a tangible form. For instance, someone who enjoys painting might find joy in capturing the beauty of nature on canvas, while a writer might find satisfaction in weaving intricate stories that captivate readers. Physical hobbies involve movement and often contribute to physical fitness. Sports, hiking, dancing, swimming, cycling, and yoga are all examples of physical hobbies. Engaging in physical hobbies not only keeps the body healthy, but also improves mental well-being by reducing stress and increasing the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood enhancers. Intellectual hobbies stimulate the mind and challenge our cognitive abilities. Activities such as reading, solving puzzles, playing chess, learning new languages, or engaging in scientific experiments fall into this category. Intellectual hobbies keep our minds sharp, encourage lifelong learning, and often foster a deep sense of curiosity and discovery. Social hobbies involve interaction with other people and help build relationships and social skills. Volunteering, joining clubs, participating in group activities, or attending social events are examples of social hobbies. These activities provide opportunities to meet new people, develop friendships, and create a sense of belonging within a community. Collecting hobbies involve gathering and organizing specific items of interest. Some people collect stamps, coins, postcards, antiques, or even rare books. Collecting can be deeply satisfying as it combines research, organization, and the thrill of finding a rare or valuable piece to add to a collection. Now that we have explored the different categories of hobbies, let us delve into why hobbies are so essential to our well-being. Firstly, hobbies provide a break from the monotony of daily life. When we engage in an activity that we enjoy, we enter a state of flow, where we are fully absorbed in the task at hand. This state of flow brings immense satisfaction and helps us recharge mentally and emotionally. Secondly, hobbies can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. In today's fast-paced world, many people struggle with mental health issues. Engaging in a hobby provides a healthy distraction, allowing the mind to focus on something enjoyable rather than worries or negative thoughts. For example, gardening can be incredibly therapeutic, as it allows individuals to connect with nature, nurture plants, and enjoy the beauty of their surroundings. Moreover, hobbies can boost our self-esteem and sense of accomplishment. When we learn a new skill, complete a project, or achieve a personal goal within our hobby, we experience a sense of pride and satisfaction. This positive reinforcement encourages us to continue pursuing our interests and sets a foundation for personal growth and confidence. Hobbies also foster creativity and innovation. When we experiment with new ideas, techniques, or approaches within our hobby, we develop problem-solving skills and a creative mindset that can be applied to other areas of our lives. For instance, someone who enjoys cooking may experiment with new recipes, flavors, and presentation styles, enhancing their culinary skills and creativity. Furthermore, hobbies provide opportunities for social interaction and community building. Joining clubs, attending workshops, or participating in group activities allows individuals to connect with like-minded people who share their passions. These social connections can lead to lasting friendships, networking opportunities, and a supportive community that enhances one's overall quality of life. Let us consider a few real-life examples to illustrate the profound impact hobbies can have on individuals. Sarah, a busy corporate executive, found solace in photography. Initially, she started taking photos during her weekend hikes to capture the beauty of nature. Over time, her skills improved, and she began sharing her work online, receiving positive feedback and encouragement. Photography became a creative outlet that allowed her to unwind, express herself, and connect with a community of fellow photographers. Similarly, John, a retired engineer, discovered a passion for woodworking. He began crafting furniture and decorative items in his garage workshop. The process of designing, building, and finishing each piece provided him with a sense of purpose and accomplishment. Moreover, he joined a local woodworking club where he made new friends and shared his knowledge with others, enriching his social life in retirement. Hobbies can also play a significant role in personal development and career growth. For example, someone who enjoys writing as a hobby might develop strong communication skills, which can be valuable in various professional fields. Likewise, learning a new language as a hobby can open doors to international career opportunities and cultural exchange. For children and teenagers, hobbies are especially important as they contribute to the development of essential life skills. Engaging in hobbies helps young people discover their interests, build confidence, develop discipline, and learn the value of perseverance. Participating in team sports, for instance, teaches cooperation, teamwork, and leadership skills, while creative hobbies like drawing or playing music foster emotional intelligence and self-expression. In addition to personal benefits, hobbies can have a positive impact on families and communities. Family members who share hobbies can strengthen their bonds through shared experiences and quality time spent together. Community-based hobbies, such as volunteering or participating in local events, contribute to a sense of civic engagement and social responsibility. It is important to note that hobbies should be chosen based on individual interests and preferences. What brings joy and fulfillment to one person may not have the same effect on another. Therefore, it is essential to explore different activities and be open to trying new things until you find a hobby that resonates with you. If you are unsure where to start, consider reflecting on your interests, talents, and curiosities. Ask yourself what activities you enjoyed as a child or what topics you find yourself naturally drawn to. Experimenting with different hobbies can be an enjoyable journey of self-discovery. In today's digital age, technology has also expanded the range of hobbies available. Online platforms and communities provide access to virtual classes, tutorials, and forums where individuals can learn new skills, share their work, and connect with others globally. From online gaming and digital art to coding and blogging, technology has opened up new avenues for creative and intellectual pursuits. However, it is essential to strike a balance between screen-based hobbies and activities that involve physical movement or face-to-face interaction. Spending excessive time on digital hobbies can lead to sedentary lifestyles and social isolation if not managed mindfully. Another important aspect of hobbies is their role in maintaining a healthy work-life balance. In our pursuit of career success and financial stability, we often neglect our personal interests and well-being. Dedicating time to hobbies reminds us to prioritize self-care and personal fulfillment, ultimately enhancing our productivity and overall happiness. Moreover, hobbies can serve as a form of therapy for individuals facing physical or mental health challenges. Art therapy, music therapy, and recreational activities are widely used in therapeutic settings to promote healing, emotional expression, and stress relief. Engaging in enjoyable activities can significantly improve the quality of life for individuals coping with chronic illnesses, disabilities, or mental health issues. It is also worth mentioning that hobbies can evolve over time. As we grow and experience different stages of life, our interests and circumstances may change. Being open to exploring new hobbies allows us to adapt to these changes and continue finding joy and fulfillment in our leisure time. For instance, a young professional might take up running to stay fit and relieve stress, while later in life they may discover a passion for gardening or painting. The key is to remain curious and willing to explore new possibilities, keeping our lives rich and diverse. In conclusion, hobbies play a vital